Bicycles are free on the tramway. I can ride bicycle for free, and everybody under 18 in my group. Everybody under 18, public transport is free. 19th century, everything Art Nouveau. And at that time when they built this, most of the houses didn't have showers, or people came here to take a shower. 15 minutes ago we walked by the cars.
Oh, lovely.
Most of the streets have two names. Okay, the pêcheur, the first is always in French, and the second is in the German dialect. The storks migrate, the storks fly away mid-end of August. But the swans stay here, and you see some white ones and some brownish ones. The first and second year, the swans are brown, grey, and only from the third year on they are white. Difference from a young stork and an adult one, the first 2 years they have a black beak, and only when they're adults it's a red beak. So this, and now to the other side, this is where the splitting of the river created an elliptical island. To the other side here now, it's the historical city, the island. And we will walk a little along and then later on the island. This building here, 1936, this was the very first apartment building in Strasbourg with underground garage, 1936. But in 1940, annexed by the Nazis. This was during the Second World War, the Nazi headquarters. Nice and horrible things are close together. It's expensive here. And just around the corner, right inside, this was the school of our children. So, in one school building, children with more than 50 nationalities, old and strong. And still today, a lot of old houses, they have the wooden shutters. Wooden shutters because summer, today you can't believe it, but summer being very, summer you have temperature. It should 35, 37 degrees.
If they're locked up.
Church still locked up. Century. Church for the fishermen, for the sailors, for everybody working on the river. Paper river. Bridges. And when it's getting dark, most of the bridges are beautifully illuminated.
This one doesn't burn down though. Yes.
Yeah.
What's that?
I still have the graffiti in the midst of it.
Yeah, I know.
The girl was 14 and a half years old when she got married, and she has never seen her future husband before. It said they sent her a pink future husband, but the first time she has seen him, she was disappointed. Painting was much nicer than the reality. I do not want to rush you, but we still have it. Now we have to stay together because now on the island there will be much smaller streets and more people. Later on, we have another hour, 10-15 minutes, but washroom stop in between, and then you have free time. And this is very close to the meeting place later on. This is the hammer. Wonderful address for Munster cheese. Munster. It's not like the American Munster. Our Munster cheese, how to explain you? Some say it smells so good, the other one say it stinks. And the word Munster,
Didn't know that. Not monsters, monasteries.
normally we need the cabins for the sauerkraut. It can be also very decorative. Do some of you want to stay here for lunch?
Yeah.
Down the stairs, she said, Detective Nibble be neat in the evening, night. All this.
No,
Bubble waffle.
yes. By train from Paris. Strasbourg, Paris, 300 miles, 500 kilometers, 1 hour and 43 minutes from here to Paris. Fastest train in Europe.
Close to 200 miles an hour.
This is black boxing. Goes in the morning from restaurant to restaurant, and they collect the leftovers. And we bring it out with another one coming here, and they bring it outside the city to make
Compost trolleys. There's Buntastic.
the way out of Strasbourg is from the time of the Romans. And this street was until 5-6 years ago the busiest street on the road, and it has a long street. And now we come to the cathedral. Where we go now? In the guidebook, in the map, it's called Petite France. But it's not because it's very French, it's very Alsatian. And they call this part later Petite France because a long time ago they had a hospital somewhere around here. And this was a hospital for men suffering from the so-called French disease, syphilis. Named after the syphilis, French disease. German called it French disease. Germans, French call the same disease. Italian disease. In Greece, it's the Turkish disease. All the other ones. And this was the part where the hammers were the hammer for the. Can you see me? To give an example, how old the houses are. This one here. Man, the house. It's from 1572. It's written Maison de Tanneur, Tanner's house. This is where the Tanner's house. It's a restaurant today. It's still today. Some of the owners like this is, and we read about that time. And it smells so bad around. It's very, very bad. And here, when it gets out of the lock, see there are people walking on the bridge over there. The bridge is too low. Look at some, almost all. So now, ladies and gentlemen, this is almost from this side, the casino to the meeting place in about 20 minutes from now on. This was the elegant terrace school of Barcelona before. And there was a perfect time every day. We came here with the car. All the parents came with the car. Now not allowed anymore the children cycle to school. And you know that a school.
Kids in the US choke it down in 10 minutes. Have to choke it down in 10 minutes.
Wow. It's the St. Thomas Church. Inside there is the most sonorous organ. There's Albert Schweitzer. Have you heard of Albert Schweitzer?
Yeah.
The Peace Nobel Prize.
Narrow streets.
Just follow me. I go to the door. Or your two options. You remember? First one, 12:15 with me. Still 1 hour and 50 minutes of free time. 12:15 with me, or not with me, but with an escort guide, Sienna, another color. Also here at 1:40.
140.
If you stay longer, you like Strasbourg so much that you stay here, because I think your ship is leaving in the afternoon. If you want to walk up, see
Even on a holiday.
the other side is
I don't have to do that.
Down
not behind the trees.
around
there's
this silver down.
If you need more, we'll help you. Otherwise, I'd like to say thank you to everybody. I do hope you like Strasbourg as much as I do. Enjoy your city and tell me who wants to stay in the city. So at the same time, I said
Right. So do you want to
bye bye, and I hope my English comments my grandson. Thank you very much.